To ProjectTech Lab, your go-to channel for practical offline tech workflows and project management tools. In this series, we are going to create a Gantt chart using Excel. And if you are looking for someone who to build a small project or big project using only the Excel sheet without using any project management tools like Primavera or MS Project, then you are in the right place. In this first episode, we'll build a foundation of Gantt chart, and in the coming episodes, we'll build on it to complete. By the end of the 10th episode, you'll be having a full Gantt chart working functional. It's a dynamic Gantt chart. So let's get it. And in this, first, let us create the project table for this imaginary project by entering different uh, attributes. The first one will be like task me, obvious task me. Then it will be a start date, then the duration of the activity in days and end date. Okay. So we can expand the column width, and first let us bold it and expand it. We can adjust the row width and everything so that it looks good, and we now all set. And we can also give a background color if you want. My favorite is sky blue, and I'm giving it. And let us start with the tasks, activities in the project. So for any project will start with the project kickoff. So let us put it here. Project kickoff, and followed by the requirement gathering. And once we complete the requirement gathering, the next will be the design phase, and followed by development. Let us consider two modules for this project in the development module, module A and module B, so that it looks good. And then once we complete all the both the modules, then it will be integration phase, and next will be testing phase. I'm having two tasks, one for internal and other for client. Let us click. Then finally we'll fix final fixes, and then deployment. Okay, then let us start with today's day, that is 21st stock 25. Duration is 1, and end date to be end date will be, let us put the formula. It will be start date plus the number of duration and -1. I'll tell you the reason behind -1. You can see that in the start date it will be 21st August, and duration is 1 day. Suppose if I don't include -1 here, then let us see what happens. It goes to next date. Actually, the when we add two dates, the Excel will some include both the dates, including the, I mean to say 21st August as well as +1. So to avoid that, we will include -1 here. And let us, we can double click or we can drag it. And for this imaginary project, let us give some values. Let's say that requirements gathering is 5 days, and let us align again. Then design phase will be 4 days, and for development of module, let us say 7 days, 6 days, and for integration again, it's let us consider 3 days, and for testing internal, let us say 4 days. Client review to be 2 days, and File fixing, let us consider 2 days, and for the deployment 1 day. Now now we can, for now, let us think that each and every task follows a waterfall method. Later we can design it in a different way, but at least for now, let us say that each activity follows the different one after other. So the first one will be complete once we complete the project kickoff, then it will be in this. Okay, and this +1. Sorry, we'll just have it 2, and will be +1 day. Okay, the next day it will start. Now we can drag the dates. Now it looks good. Okay, you can see everything aligned, so that once the first task completes on 22nd August, the next task will start on the after 27. Okay, so like that we can pull it off. And suppose if you there is one thing we can say, that we can start development of these modules, both the modules, from the same date by different team. In that case, we can map it to again 31st August +1. That makes, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, and this should be, yeah, then it's D6. D6. And now it looks. So we have made an assumption that both the modules will be started by two different teams. So that is the reason both are starting at the same date and ending in different dates. And our task is to complete the project, and that is deployment by 19th September. That's it, friends. Let us, now that we have created a project activity with start duration and end duration with duration dates, let us uh, continue with the building the Gantt chart from in the next episode. Thank you. Thanks for watching.